Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Amparucci and today I'm going to be bringing you guys the easiest pie recipe ever. It's really a crisp and this is a delicious peach crisp. But before we get started, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my recipe videos. So to get started for the crisp topping, I have 1 cup of whole almonds. And those are lightly salted, so we don't need to add any extra salt to this. And a 1/4 cup of raw old-fashioned oats. I'm going to process this for 1 minute until everything combines and a really thick paste forms. And to this, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cold diced butter. Now after that all comes together, you can see you pretty much have the same consistency as almond butter. And what you want to do is transfer that into a bowl. Now to the almond and oat mixture, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And you'll notice it thickens almost into like a doughy paste. And then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of raw oats and mix that in. I'm not using any flour for this crumble. The ground almond and oats are acting like the flour here. When it comes together, I'm going to sprinkle another tablespoon of brown sugar and just give that a quick fold. And this is a super easy and delicious crumble topping, and it's also a healthy alternative for regular flour. For this recipe, I'm using 3 large fresh peaches, which I'm going to peel and slice. I will be measuring these out in cups for you guys in case you prefer to use frozen peaches. So the 3 whole fresh peaches equals just about 4 cups of sliced peaches. For the peach pie filling, I'm going to add my peach slices. I'm going to add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and about a 1/2 teaspoon of apple pie spice. And I'm going to let this cook together for about 4 minutes or so. After about 4 minutes, you'll see a nice sauce forms and the peaches are a little softer. And the peach filling is done. Now since this pie doesn't actually have a crust, I'm going to spray the pie pan with some nonstick cooking spray so that the peaches or crisp topping don't stick to the pan. Then I'm just going to dump my peaches into the pie pan. I'm going to squeeze a little bit more lemon juice over this. And then finally, here we have the crumble from earlier. I'm just gonna sprinkle this all over. And since the only thing that's raw in here really is the oatmeal, this doesn't need to bake for too long, so I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. So this is the peach crisp after it is done baking in the oven. And the good thing about this specific pie or crisp is that all you have to do is grab a spoon and spoon it onto your plate. You don't have to worry about cutting pie slices. This crumble is amazing and the peaches, delicious. Now if you're not a fan of peaches, you can make an apple crumble, a cherry crumble, whatever type of filling you want. But this crumble topping, oh my god, better than any other type of crumble topping or crisp topping that I've ever tasted. Thank you guys for watching my video on how to make this super easy and delicious peach crisp. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out these other recipes and check out my blog sugarprincessrecipes.com for all my full written recipes.